Hi guys! Hi guys! Today we are making churros. First thing you have to do is you have to add butter and buttermilk and bring it to a boil. So here's the buttermilk. You can also add your vanilla and this one. While waiting for the buttermilk and the butter to boil, I'll add the dry ingredients like the flour and the powdered sugar. Then we'll wait until the butter boils. So now our liquid mixture is boiling, ready for the next procedure. I'll add my mixture of flour and powdered sugar. And then turn your heat low. Then stirring constantly until it turns into glossy. Nice and glossy. Transfer this to the mixing bowl. Using a paddle, we will whip this until it starts to like a little bit cool. Then we can add the egg. Now our mixture is ready. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. So we can add the egg one at a time. Make sure eggs will fully incorporate before you can add another one. You need a piping bag and a piping kit. So now, let's fry our churros. So this is why I like it frozen, so I can pick it like this. Then dump it in a fryer. We'll wait until it's golden brown. We toast it in cinnamon sugar. Coated it with cinnamon sugar. I do 7 serving for 7 pieces per serving. Then this is served with hot fudge, homemade hot fudge. So this is our churros, guys.